Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Okay, yes, good. MashaAllah, I have Ashley with me. Yes, those are the shadda. So today is the day when we do shadda. Okay, and how does a shadda look like? A shadda looks like this. It looks like a crown or it looks like a W. And it's actually going to tell us that there are actually, it's a symbol that shows us double times effect. Okay, what does that mean? Okay, so this is if a letter has a shadda, you have to go on it once and then twice. So that's what it's going to tell us. Okay, yes, that's the shadda. That is the shadda. That's the shadda. Yes, very nice. Okay, good job. Now let's go see what a shadda does. Okay, first I am going to do the regular. I am going to remove the shadda. Okay, let's just remove the shadda. And if I remove the shadda, go ahead, Ashley, help. How do we read? So this is noon with the dhamma.
Nu.
Excellent. This is noon with the fatha.
Na.
Good job. So the regular way is this is nu, this is na. Okay, so this is nu, this is na. Okay, that's the regular way. But what happens when a shadda? What happens when a shadda comes? Well, shadda basically bangs the two sounds together. This is nu, this is na. Hey, there's a shadda, bang them together. Nun na. This is nu, this is na. Bang them together. Nun na. How is it?
Oh, noon na. So you would still say the whole noon, but you would put both steps. So you would say the noon twice. So noon nan. No,
Good.
no, sorry, noon na.
Excellent. Good job. Yes, you got that thing right. If this noon has the shadda, we will go over this noon double times. Nun na. Whoever has the shadda is going to be used double times. First, nun, that's the first time. Na, that's the second time. Okay, let's go see some examples here. Okay, well, our first example is right here. Nu and na. Go ahead. So this is noon with the dhamma.
Nu.
Good job. This is noon with the fatha.
Na.
There
So
is a shadda.
noon na.
Excellent. Nun na. That's what we do. When we have a shadda, the two sounds bang together. Whoever has the shadda needs to be heard double times. Okay, this is E. And this is na. This is E. This is na. Bang them together.
E na.
Good job. Inna. Just like
Una.
this, just like English. Inna. Okay.
Inna.
Excellent. Let's go see another example. Okay, this is and then this is a very tricky noon, right? We know all these blue ones are noon. Okay, and na, bang them together.
Ah na.
Good job. Show me that. Like now, it's like again English. Undo,
An.
untie, unna.
Anna.
Good job. Inna.
Inna. Anna.
Good job. Okay, let's find some more shaddas. Okay, this is ma. This is ra. So if the shadda was not there, life was just plain. Ma, ra. But the shadda is there. Bang the two sounds together.
Mara.
Good job. Mar. Show me the full sound of ra. Marra.
Mara.
Excellent. It's like you're giving me the phonic sound. Marra. First the phonic
M-
sound. Marra.
Mara.
Marra.
Mara.
Yes, good job. This is qaf with the fatha qa. This is E. This lam with the kasra li. Qa and li. Bang them together. There's a shadda.
Kohli.
Good job. Qalli. So you're showing me this phonic sound of lam more.
Kohli.
Good job. Qalli. Qalli. Qalli.
Kohli.
Excellent. Good job. Let's see if there's any more. Okay. So this is na. Ba with the kasra B. Na and B. Bang them together.
Nabi.
Good job. Nubby. Okay, good job. Nubby. Okay, very nice. Do we have some more examples for us? Okay, some more examples. Oo and ma, bang them together. Show me the full phonic sound of meme.
Oh, me.
So, the meme has to be heard 2 times. If you say "ooh ma," the meme is only heard once. Ma. Excellent. Now the meme's been heard double times. Ma. And you're literally taking the sound, banging it onto the other one. Ma. Good job. Thu and ma. Bang them together. Thumma.
Boom. Oh, hold on. Thumma.
Very nice. Fancy ra, right? That's my letter ra. Ra and B. Bang them together.
Rabbi.
Good job.
Rabbi.
Yes, Rabbi. And Nabbi. So this is na, this B. Nabbi. Oo and ma. Bang them together. Umma. Good job. Thu and ma. Bang them together. Thumma.
Thumma.
Ra and B. Bang them together. Rabbi.
Rabbi.
Good job. You are correct, mashallah. Okay, E and Na, bang them together.
Inna.
Excellent. Nu and Na, bang them together.
I'm sorry, say that one more time.
Nu and Na, bang them together.
Nunna.
Excellent. And today's example was also Nunna. Nu and Na, bang them together. Nun.
Nunna.
Yes, and that is the Shadda. Shadda looks like this Shadda. If you look at the Shadda, Shadda kind of shows that, the name is banging. Shadda. So if I say, hey, there's a Shadda, it's kind of a hint that, oh, bang the two sounds together. Now there's another thing also, dal with the fatta da. Okay, now dal with the fatta da wants to take a letter. Well, which one is it going to take? Is it going to take the alif, the first lam, the second lam? Which one do you think is it going to go to? Which one
Well,
is
we don't have a sukoon, so the sukoon is what makes us take the 2 letters back, correct?
Yes, that's right, but there's no sukoon. Now the dal has a wide variety of choice. It's got an alif, it's got a lam, it's got a lam. So how do I choose now? Where should it go? Here? Should it go here? Should it be da, or should it be lam, or should it be this one? How do I know? Well, let's look like this. Okay, the da is going to take the stronger one. So if this is a letter, this is a letter, this is a letter with a sukoon, so it's definitely going to take the stronger one. Letter with a sukoon. Letter with a shadda. So da and la, bang them together. The la.
Dalla.
Good job. This time it's not the la. Why? Because we have a vertical fatha. We have a long fatha. Da and la, bang them together. The la. Okay.
Dalla.
Good job. We have to know, if we have a longer sound, we finish off long. The la, the la. Okay, so this word, now you know this word. This is in, and this one is the law. And if you want another one, this is E. حافظك الساهي. عند الله. عند الله. Now that's how you're supposed to say this word. Okay, E Edna. Well, we don't have to do words like long words yet. We're just practicing shadda. Inna. How is this one?
Inna.
Excellent. Da and la, bang them together.
Dalla.
Good job, longer. Good job. One more example, and then we are done. Okay, so now we know the easy ones, anna, and now we know the ones where you have to choose. So da, skip, go to this one with the shadda. Okay, now because it's going to choose the more powerful one, and the powerful one is this one, da and la, bang them together. Da.
Dalla.
Excellent. So there is one other way, one other thing also. Now, this is advanced one, but I'm still going to tell you, okay? Okay, so ma and ra, marra. So here is a shadda, and here is this, but there's something that you don't know here. The the twin kasras, we don't have not done them yet, but I can tell you. I'll just do it for you. Ta, the ta grabs the twins. Okay, so ta has the twins now. Okay, now the shadda is here. Guess what? This shadda will not take the twins. It's only going to take ta with one kasra ti. So that's what one thing it's going to do. Shadda will say, "Hey, I'm only one. I'm not going to let both of them bang onto me. Just one. Ta with one kasra ti. Wa with the fatha wa. Bang them together. Tiwa. That's a different kind of a sound. Tiwa. That's like a more advanced shadda.
Mhm.
But inshallah, we'll keep doing this, inshallah. Okay, so that was the shadda. Do you think the shadda was easy? The shadda symbol shows, you know.
Yes, it
Yeah,
seems easy. Yeah.
yeah. So you just need to know the sounds. So the best way to do is first make out your two sounds. Qaf with the fatta qa. This is E. Lam with the kasra. This is E. Lam with the kasra. Li. Qa and li. And now your two sounds, like you have, you know your two sounds. Just bang them together. Qalli. Like that. Okay.
Qur'an.
Yes, qalli. So that was the shadda, inshallah. And basically, shadda, we'll keep practicing everything, inshallah.